Okay, man, next one. Okay, back.
So guys, I made it to Miami and now I am on the Carnival cruise bus heading to the dock. And yeah, I'm excited. I don't know what to say because I was excited, but yeah, I'm heading to the dock and I paid $17.99 for transportation from the Miami airport to the cruise dock, and it's a 30 minutes max ride. So let's go. So I'm gonna take you guys all on this way to make you feel like you are with me on this cruise, because your girl is solo and everybody has a partner or they come with a friend. But we move. So we're still in the bus, we're at the port, and they're just taking out our bags. And the line to check in is long, like super long. But I'll leave you guys posted. This is the line to check in and go into the terminal. Hi.
Boarding pass, ma'am. The only thing you need.
Your boarding pass. This is how the packet is.
Thank you.
Boarding pass
Go ahead,
right here.
ma'am.
Thank you. Guys, I got my boarding pass and we're about to get on the cruise. I think we have to do a second check-in. I think they check your bag because you're only entitled to bring one bottle of wine. So they're gonna make sure you don't have nothing that you should not be bringing. And then I think we're gonna get on the board, but it is so hot. Let me show you. Oh.
Anything else you could put away?
Thank you so much. Ah, thanks. Right there. Thank you. Ma'am, again. I'm just making my YouTube video too. Sorry.
Okay,
Here.
thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. So my bag got clear and I got through security. You got to come through like 2 or 3 security, and then here is where we're gonna go, and we gonna get to boarding now. Hi.
See your boarding pass?
So, here's my boarding pass again.
Okay, good.
Thank you. So here is where we're gonna go on the cruise, and this is how we board the cruise right here. Another check-in to get your boarding pass. Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. If you're old, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. Please don't forget to smash the subscribe button. We are going on a cruise, a Carnival cruise, and I am about to board, and I'll take you guys along the way. So with all that said, let's go. So hi, how are you doing?
Good, how you doing, miss?
Great, thank you. So this is to go up to your room, is that correct?
No, this is to get you scanned on board the ship. So
Again?
Yeah, make sure you have your boarding pass and
Thank you so much. Have a good day. So this is how. Okay. Hi. Oh, this cruise is huge. Well, we on board finally. So here they scan your stuff and they're gonna show you lifeguard precautions before you check in your room and everything. So the food is this way?
Yeah.
Thank you. So guys, I am going to have lunch. This is where they have lunch at.
It will be 4:30 p.m.
Excuse me.
What time? 4:30
So, it's where you're gonna come and get lunch. Lunch. So I find my spot, and then I'm gonna head over there to get lunch before we can check into our room.
Is it gonna be same or different? What's that? Is it gonna be same way or different? Same way is fine.
I got a burrito and a beer. My first lunch on the cruise.
with some watermelon, some pica, and some burrito. And the view is absolutely gorgeous.